Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is Shapeit. So I'm really proud, like we are reached almost 1,000 subscribers. So I'm really happy and I'm just moving ahead in a positive way. So if you are new to my channel, these are the contents. Like I am very passionate about design and I have doing a lot of videos in a different categories, like in the especially on the SolidWorks. So where you can see 3D print models, product design, component modeling, sheet metal, furniture design, and even the macro. So it's a one stop for the SolidWorks, and still I'm planning to add a lot more for the users. Please do subscribe to my channel so that you will have a number of videos and a lot of stuffs to do here, and you can also learn a lot in furniture design. This is a series where I'm heading into episode 19. So this is a latest one which I have here, and without wasting much, get started with our a new part. So today, as you've seen in the thumbnail, we're gonna make a, a, a chair or kind of a table or something like that, which is being put it on the park or restaurant or wherever it's going to be an interior. So before getting started, like I have already inserted one image which will help. So I have been downloaded from the internet. So how to insert this, like once you select the plane, you can directly go to insert, tools, go for a sketch tool. There you will find a sketch picture. So you can browse and then you can insert the sketch, I mean the image which you want to do. So this is going to be a reference to get a starting point for to create uh, um, a, a structure. So what I will do, I will go again to the sketch. So this is a image which I have. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a center line for this as a reference. And also I just want to make sure the base, so how much I want, like this from here to here I would like to have some 18-inch, and offset total height I was looking for 40-inch. That will be really a decent enough a height. Yep. So once you finalize with your height and as per your requirement, so what you can do here is, like, you can just go for the sketch, I mean so the image, so you just drag. So yeah, you can just fix it like how you want, so that we'll have some, you know uh just a profile. Yeah, base is ready now, and also the height almost we can finalize. Yes, this makes sense little. Yeah, approximately this looks okay. Just a little more. Yes. Yeah, so this height and this profile will help us to make the structure. So that's why Hamilton created this. So after coming out of that, so what I will do, I'm gonna create a profile which I would like to have here. So I will just write somewhere here, this is an angle which we can give. Then after that, I just want this profile to be like this, as you have seen this thumbline, and also my profile should be go like this, and I want to match. So you can just go, if you have you just go again, you will have a circular, again you have to go this way, and you can just drag, you will have this a straight line. Again you come here and just drag it, you will have this point. So continuously you can have lines in the way how you want, exactly in the similar way. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drag it something like this. Yeah, and then I'm gonna do it like this. So here anyway it will gonna touch here. So what I'm gonna do, so as a user, it should not feel like, he has to, or she has to sit for a long time. So like we can approximately, we'll keep and then let it, the leg goes in this way, and we'll make some tangent. So this all should be tangent to this region, and this too should be in this particularly. Yeah. How can we finalize some? Okay, this angle, let it be in close to 14. Yeah, it's almost 14. So we'll have one radius throughout this profile. So we'll finalize some 6 something like that, and we'll have some close to the dimension. Since we have this angle, so let it be a 10, some close to that value. Yeah, yeah, almost we have 40 here at this point. Hmm. Let's see. At this moment we have, like, if we want, we can also increase light slightly. Uh, and this angle is supposed to be again a 6. And if you want, you can also mention that I'm, an equal for all the radius at the same time. I mean, like this, if you make an equal, it will be an equal. Sorry, this symbol make equal, so it will become an equal. So let's set up an angle for this. So 84, 65, let it be. Yeah, this makes sense. Good. And I just want to move this towards up, and this too, we can make it an angle around 90. So V shape will be there. Yeah, somewhere like close to that V shape. Something. Oh, sorry. Let it be an equal. Yes, perfect. Also, will mention some angle for this around 20. Let's see how much it will come. We'll define this dimension also. We have given 10, so let it be a 20. Yes, and this side will move slightly. We'll have to lock this, so we'll maintain some 3. Yeah, perfect. And we'll lock this both at same place. Yeah, perfect. So almost we have defined now the profile. So the guy who can sit in this location, or we can also slightly, we can reduce somewhere around 80, something like that. Yeah, so he can say, I mean, like, he can just put that leg over there and just take a piece of something like that. So this will be a comfortable, and also here we'll try to make some more radius. Yes, to butt on the surface, so the people will feel more comfort uh, on that region particularly. Okay, I think this is an enough to maintain this dimension. So what I will do, I will gonna hide this for now, or suppress. So this base profile is ready. Or still, I feel like the height of that is particularly low, I feel. So we can increase a little bit over there. can we increase this height rather than and degree? Somewhere close to 10 degree. Yes, this is gonna be hell. Perfect. You can play always with the height of that, so else we can see how much unsuppress and see. Yeah, this is okay. Even if you want to slide it, he can have that. And also what we can do, so we just try to reduce to somewhere 15. Okay, it's too very close. Okay, so rather than 30, yeah, just have enough length. Okay, good. Okay, let's get suppressed. So now we have the structure to play with that. So I'm gonna offset by 3 inch inside. Yes, looks good. Gonna make a thickness of around 1 inch. Yeah, that makes little more stronger. So that is enough. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just make another view. Select the center line, I mean center point of that, and make constraint. Okay, sorry, the sketch. It's gonna be hidden. Yeah, I'm just gonna make this point over here and select this simple as you just drag and drop and make a tangential. This is okay, good. And similarly we have to do one more point and come over here, make that center, make this to R tangential. I'll tell you why and what is the purpose of that particular hole which I'm doing now at this time. So this will help you to make, okay, sorry, a tangential, and also go here. So if you feel my video is very fast, so I always request people to reduce the playback speed, or if you are feeling very slow, you can always have an option in YouTube, like you can just select the speed of my video. So it's all about the different people, which the people are maybe a beginner or intermediate. I'm not sure about that, the users. So I'm gonna select extrude and up to surface. So I'm gonna select now OK, so that I have this profile now. And also I just want to avoid a sharp edge, so I'm just gonna select the fillet over there, and 1 inch should be fine. So I'm gonna select OK now. Sorry, oops, on the edge, and it will help me to select all the edges. Yeah, fine, and it looks good actually. And now if I'm gonna OK, so what I will do, so I'm gonna keep the same, like as you seen in thumbnail, I have been created a hole to fix it. So now what I will do, I will gonna create a linear pattern. The direction, this is a face. I just want to make sure 80 inch, and the body has to be moved either in this direction or the other direction. So other direction I have kept. So however you want, as per your length, you can just play with the linear pattern. Yeah. So in order to make as I said, you have to create a hole to locate the pipe. So this is a kind of a sheet, or you can reduce even how much you want, as your wish. So select all this whole at the same time and make equal, and gonna select a dimension, and if you want to create a dimension, a smart dimension, you right click, so you will find that, right? Okay, so I just want to keep some 3-inch, yeah, 3-inch hole, which I want to make it. So I'm gonna select through all, both, select OK, extrude cut. So now we have a hole here now. Or even you can reduce the size, like how much the pipe which is available for you, accordingly you can play. So for now, and I can go for a 2.5, looks the whole size may be a big, but does not matter, depends on your need, you can modify the dimension. So I'm just explaining like what to be done in this way. So now what you can do, you can insert a rod in same way, you just select the hole. So there will be always a clearance, but you can just play. So I'm just telling in a manufacturing point. So in order to connect this all, you have to do with a point. So just to remove that mesh result, so that you have this way to form a structure, a sheet metal, I mean like a steel structure. Okay, cool. So coming back on the frame, a wooden frame which you want to create this profile, I mean throughout that. So what I suggest, like you just select this here and go for a profile how you want, like even square or some kind of a taper profile. It all depends on your a need or taste. So for me, I just want to maintain some profile which is a traditional way, how we used to see in benches or chairs. So I will just maintain some 19, something like 16 should be fine, yeah. And I will make this two are symmetric, these two lines. Okay, and the total height will maintain 1.75, and overall I would like to have some 2 inch should be fine, and this also should be fine for 1.5 or either 1.25, something like that, yeah. Will have a taper. So gonna extrude, this is my wooden profile. Okay, so offset from the surface, which I would like to have around 3-inch reverse, and also I have to, okay, maybe what I can do, I can go for a direction 2 and 3-inch, let it be an outside. Okay, you can screw either each profile, that's why I have given more thicker, and also if you want you can make a sheet on this to weld, and then you can clamp it. So now this wooden is ready. Now what I have to do, I have to create a profile such a way, like this is my outer profile, it will has a path. So now go to a linear pattern, in that you have a drop down called a curve pattern, curve driven pattern. You select, automatically the curve will be get selected. Since I have been selected the sketch, so automatically it pick that. So now what you have to do here, you have to select the body, which body you want to do. So you have to, oh sorry, oops, before that I just need to remove that. So I have merged the result, so I have to gonna remove now. Okay, so now it be in a separate body. Again, go for a curve driven pattern, and I'm gonna select this body. This is a direction where I just want to select the sketch. Perfect, man. So yeah, you can see here, so where you can see this tangent curve, offset curve, that also you have to make sure you have to select a number of piece you want to add over here. So this is how you have to create your piece, and you can always select equal space and gonna for yes, exactly. So you can see here, this is how we can, and you can adjust your number of size, how much you want. So you can always play with your numbers, and the manufacturing way you want, you can do 65 also fine. I'm gonna select OK. So very close, few things. So this is how you can create a a bench or a chair for the park, restaurants, interior, office, however you want. So hopefully this video will help you to understand like how to make this modern designs, furniture design. So please I request you to subscribe my channel, and please drop a comment like what you are exactly looking for in future videos. Many more things to come. You can drop a mail like if you want to do something, you want to try without with the complex models. You can drop a mail to me. It always there in my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another interesting video. Until then, bye from Shapeit. Thank you.